One thing Samsung does really well is push the boundaries of what is possible when it comes to the display technology and using micro LED technology has been one of those pushing things to the next level when it comes to brightness and especially display size. And with that, we now have a 140-inch micro LED TV from Samsung. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our quick first look at Samsung's micro LED 4K TV range here in Las Vegas at CES 2023. Although there's very limited information in what we know so far, here's what we've been told from Samsung in regards to their micro LED TV range for 2023. There are 7 sizes being shown here which come in 50, 63, 76, 89, 101, 114 and a crazy 140 inches. Trust me, you did not hear me wrong when I said there is now a massive 140-inch model, and the sheer size of the display is something to behold. At the current time, Samsung have stated that the 50 and the 63 inches are yet to be confirmed if they will be released, but for sure we should be expecting a Q2 release of the 76-inch models and above. The micro LED TVs themselves will be broken up into 2 categories in what Samsung are calling a CX model and a non-CX model. The CX will be the more premium model and will come with a crazy 240Hz high refresh rate, whereas the non-CX is expected to be 120Hz. But we've also been told that for the non-CX models, this is still yet to be confirmed. All models of Samsung's micro LED TVs will be running at a 4K UHD resolution, so no 8K, and all models will have 6 HDMI ports. No mention of whether this will be HDMI 2.1, but we assume due to the high refresh rate nature of the panels that this will be the case. Another benefit to the CX models from what we've been told is the improvement to the multi-view functionality, as you can now have up to 4 HDMI inputs displaying content at the same time, compared to previously where only 1 HDMI could be used while other content would have to be streamed. So far, this is all the information we've been given in regards to Samsung's micro LED TVs for 2023, down to the point where even the model names and pricing are not being disclosed. But based on our first look and impressions, we can only dream of having such a large display experience of a 140-inch micro LED TV in their living space, and the sheer brightness level and clarity of the display is something to behold. What's your thoughts on Samsung's micro LED TVs? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.